Good morning, dear student. We are doing comparison check of Unit First Honeybee. Uh, Speaking with writing. Imagine you are the king. Narrate the incident of your meeting. The hamlet begin like this. The wise man answered and my question, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day I decided to go and meet the hamlet. Dear student, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको अपने स्वयं को राजा मानना है और आपकी जो सन्यासी के साथ जो घटना घटी थी उसको आपको अपने शब्दों में एक कहानी के रूप में लिखना है. Next question, second. Imagine you are the Hamlet. Write briefly incident of your meeting. The king begin like this. One day I was drinking in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me. I knew it was the king. Dear student, इसमें आपको अपने स्वयं को सन्यासी मानना है और राजा के साथ जो घटना घटी उसको आपको संक्षिप्त में लिखना है. और the answer will be, this is the answer of first question. The wise man answered my question, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day I would decided to go and meet the Hamlet who lived in forest. He saw only simple people. I put on ordinary clothes. I went alone to meet him in the forest and saw that he was digging in the front of his hut. I went up to the hamlet and said, I have come to you to ask you answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? The hamlet listened to me but did not answer. He went digging. I asked to help. I had dug 2 beds and stopped. It repeated my question but it did not answer my questions again. This is the answer of second question. One day I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me and I knew it was the king who had 3 questions to be answered. I was asked 3 questions by the king. In the answer I reply that there is only one time that is important and the time is now, because it is the only time we have any power to act. To the second question, I said the most necessary person is the person you are with a particular moment. In answer to third question, I said the most important business is to do that person's good, because we are sent into this world for that purpose alone. The king was happy because he had the answer of his questions, and he thanked and went away. Dear student, like this you dear student, इसी तरह से आपको इनके उत्तर लिखने हैं. डू यू नो, डज एन ऑस्ट्रिच रियली स्टक इट्स हेड इन द सैंड टू हाइड फ्रॉम ऑन इनेमी? क्या एक ऑस्ट्रिच वास्तव में इसकी गर्दन को मिट्टी में छिपा लेता है, अपने दुश्मनों से मिट्टी के अंदर छिपा लेता है? आप इसके बारे में जानते हो, इसके बारे में आपको लिखना है. इसका आंसर है no. What this tall bird does on sensing danger from far is to lie flat on this ground with his now long almost horizontal. The enemy not spot the ostrich in this position from a distance, and it may be mistaken for a shrub or bush. If the danger is close by, the ostrich will take off and run. Though ostriches cannot fly, they can run as fast as 65 km per hour. It covered, they give a swift, hard kick. An ostrich burying its head in sand to escape attention is a metaphor for people who ignore rather than face a problem. This is the answer of ostrich.